Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors, and here for sale today we have a beautiful 2004 GMC Yukon XL. This is the SLE model, so you got SLE, SLT, and Denali. So this one would be the XL extra long, so it's basically like a Chevy Suburban, but badged as GMC Yukon. And this one has a lift on it, you know, quite a nice lift. Very well done. Heavy duty coil springs there, and then coil over rear shocks, or struts rather, and has these nice 30, I believe these are 35 or 10 ply tires, 315/75/16, brand new actually. So along with the lift, tires are brand new. Lift was very well done, no expense spared. Tinted windows all the way around, rain guards. Comes with chrome package, being GMC. They give you a little bit more luxury with that. Headlights are beautiful, nice and clear, all working perfectly. Comes with an aftermarket cold air intake, and one of those fuel efficiency chips. That way it helps a little bit on the fuel economy with this vehicle. So it bumps you from the standard 13 all the way up to a whopping 16 miles to the gallon. So comes with the bug shield for the front. All ties nicely together with all the rest of the rain guards. Paint is a little weak on the tops of the doors here. That's the one cosmetic flaw you'll see on the exterior. Comes with the aftermarket Weston running boards, but it has factory floor mats. It's never been smoked in, no pets. Super clean cloth interior. Super clean dash, no chipping on that, no cracks of any kind. Comes with touchscreen Pioneer stereo, also Bluetooth and auxiliary connectivity, traction control, dual climate control, ice cold AC. The center console, it doesn't work in the front, but it flips open from the back when you unlock it from the front. As you can see, it's been victim to the elbow lean, which most of these have. Same issue. Pretty much most all of them that you'll see on the market today will have that somewhere along the line. But it comes with third row seat, rear AC, headliners in really good condition. All of that's properly working. So you just got to do a little origami here, get the seat down, and can gain access to the rear seats. Comes with power windows, locks, mirrors, and a driver's seat. But it's a very beautiful truck, you know, and the lift and the tires gives it a nice road presence. We do know the previous owner of the vehicle, they did do one of those exhaust upgrades from actually the larger engine V8 that they make, Chevy V8. Comes with a trailer, towing package, and so they made that exhaust sound more hollow with the bigger exhaust pipe. So it's a factory exhaust, but slight modification to where it makes it sound totally unique from any other one. So that's really nice. Comes with the automatic down windows for driver and passenger, power windows, locks, and then the mirrors there. So for the driver's side, we have our headlights, our interior illumination, the rear wiper, cruise control, interval wiper blades, and then our gear shifter over there. So let me just fire this up. It fires right up. I'm gonna have a tire monitor warning. So 180,000 original miles. All the gauges are working. No warning lights on the dash except for the tire monitor, but that's just because of the upgraded wheels. They didn't replace the sensors. But as you can hear, the hollowness of it's got like the whoa whoa, that it really sounds nice. Comes with a spare tire underneath. So I mean, it's turnkey truck, rides really nice, even with the lift, even with the tires, it's still exceptionally smooth. Revs up nicely, out as smoothly. All the gauges are properly working, and speakers. Speakers are all working, and AC's ice cold. Let's So for the top we have our compass temperature gauge and auto dimming rear view mirror. Rear AC auxiliary controls, so you can either put it for the rear passengers or you can control it with the driver. Dual map lights, vanities with working lights, and we have dual cup holders here. Just some slight staining throughout the vehicle, but for 180,000 miles, for only 2 previous owners, Yukon XL, drives excellent, runs great. You can find this beautiful 2004 GMC Yukon XL exclusively at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.